So we're at a no cooling call. It's a carrier split AC. That noise right there is a compressor not starting, so we probably got a bad capacitor. So 40/5, it's a dual run. It's got 3 connections on top. One is for the fan, one is for the compressor, and the other one connects to the contactor. So here's how we change that out. Pull that disconnect. Go to our nice inventory of caps. We use American made Amrads. These are better quality capacitors. They have a 5-year warranty, which we provide to our customers. If you look at the top of this thing, it's labeled common, fan, CRT if you have a hard start, and Herm for compressor. The other one's a little harder to see, but the fan is typically always brown, compressor, and then the common usually runs right over to the contactor itself. So that's kind of how you can tell. So I'm going to take these off, put them on the other one. Typically only one screw on here. So I grabbed a little wire brush just so that you could kind of see. There's the fan, compressor, Herm, and this one's got a C for common. So easy to identify to move them over. Now I got it strapped back in, which you got to do, and before you put the power in, just make sure nothing's touching. You don't want anything to touch these guys here. This, you don't want, this top part, you don't want touching anything, so it's nice and clean there. Pop the disconnect back in, and the compressor should kick on. There we go. Job well done.